Hello, my beautiful audience in Dubai, from Dubai. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Apple. Apple is going to tell us it's the biggest company in America in the stock market. It's going to tell us what the overall stock market is going to be doing. The Magikarp team is releasing the closed beta this week. So we're now it's in testing for the confirmation window. You need to have 1 million MCRT staked 10 days ago, or snapshotted, sorry, before 10 days, or one Genesis NFT collection. We will be releasing the link to the closed beta credibility, or the closed beta check, to make sure that you meet those minimum requirements. Then you'll be given access to the beta, and it's going to be very exciting. Also, join us in the Magikarp Telegram. The link is down below, so you can talk to the other 50,000 people. We have 116,000 people on Twitter, but in the Telegram, you can keep up to date with all the information and the release of the closed beta. It's very exciting what the team is building. And in that Telegram, you also see some of the people that are joining the closed beta, testing the game, the gameplay, and you'll be able to compete with each other in tournaments, which will be releasing weekly in the play-to-earn system, which is going to be incredible. The game, we also been in a lot of, the team has been here in Dubai with me, a lot of the team. We've been negotiating the development till 2024, which is also exciting. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. We're going to go into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, and at the moment it's in this channel, and it broke underneath this, it's in this kind of rising wedge, and it broke underneath it, which is not good. We've also been hugging this red trend line. This red trend line is the bear market that started 1 year ago, November 2021. And you can see we broke out, and then Bitcoin has failed. So it's not looking actually good for Bitcoin. I would go short here. Unfortunately, if the breakout is failing, we need a big movement up with a lot of volume. We are getting volume, but we need some big volume movement right now to confirm this breakout. If it falls back underneath, it can get bad, but we'll most likely go to 18,500. Let's see if it can hold. I would go short from this point on the 4-hourly turning down, on the hourly overbought turning down, but volume coming in on 15-minute turning up. And that was actually, I wouldn't short here. Why? Because look, it broke underneath and it wicked straight back up. Look at that big movement back up. That buy, that massive green candle here, there is volume. 2,000 Bitcoin were bought. So volume tells you how much buying and selling is happening on Bitcoin. Each of those candles in this chart is representing 15 minutes. So you can see it wicked underneath, and then a massive buyer just sent it back up. Very difficult to see here. So I wouldn't go short on Bitcoin until it breaks underneath this red trend line and creates a candle underneath it and holds, retests, and fails. Then I would go short going towards 18,500. If it can bounce here with volume, we can go long. So right now it's actually the deciding moment for Bitcoin. If you go long here, you can go long off this chart with this tight stop loss targeting the top here. That gives you 2.32% without leverage. If it's 10x leverage, that'd be 23% of profits. And if it breaks underneath here, you could go short from that point after a retest, targeting that 18,500, which is 2%. With 10x leverage, will be 20% profit on a short going down. So it really depends on which side Bitcoin chooses at the moment. If it breaks to the upside, heads up, our target will be 19,500, which most likely I would lean, it's very close. That's why I'm not going to call it. Most likely it will do that movement. If it breaks underneath here, then we retest 18,500 and then a bounce. But we have broken out, and it is hugging this red line. So let's see how it moves. Also, don't forget to check out Magikarp. We're releasing the closed beta now. It's very exciting, actually. The team's been working on this for a long time. Let's see if, I don't know why it's not turning. You can see MCRT, it's currently sitting just above 1 cent. Doesn't change this window for some reason. Sitting above 1 cent, market cap 16 million. You can check it out. It's available on PancakeSwap, and the team has been working really hard. You can see here, just want to share, this is some of the pictures of the team all together at the conferences. This is the beautiful MCRT team, and we will be releasing the closed beta, which is going to be beautiful. This is some of the team just now saying goodbye to each other. This is at the conference. And the MCRT, hey, listen, I quit. I hold MCRT, and this guy just showed me the Magikarp gameplay. This was us at the... This was us at the conference, showing off the game at the conference, showing off the gameplay and meeting a lot of people. It was epic. One of the fans sent this in. This is not real. They sent this in, some of the characters and gameplay on a building. Beautiful designs, actually. This is one of the players, and this is the closed beta, which is starting now. It's going to be incredible. this was our roadmap. We were in negotiations with our development studio for the development till 2024 and what's coming for the MCRT world, which is beautiful. Again, you can get MCRT, you can just Google MCRT or on PancakeSwap, which is beautiful. And join us in the Telegram group as well. There's 49,700 members here, and you can just see that that people are discussing MCRT. Quite a lot of people in here, and the closed beta will be launching very soon. The VIP beta is starting, so this is incredible news. So pay attention to it. You need 1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT collection. Let's look at Apple now to see what's going to be happening in the stock market, because Apple is the leading indicator for the markets. The stock market got wiped because of after Biden came in. We had a triple top up here when Apple reached 176. Then we had this big correction in the markets, massively dropped to 129. Then a big recovery and a big fall. From that fall, it dropped around, let's see how much. It dropped around 28%. Then it moved up around 35% from that bottom, 27%, and then it's fallen back 19%. So Apple is, and the big support is actually on that line at 130. So it made big movements up, and then it had a big correction because of the whole war and everything. Then a big recovery, double topped, and it's coming down. Most likely it's going to hold at 130, but possible that it comes down to 102. So let's hope that Apple can hold here. If it doesn't, it means a lot more bloodshed in the markets, and unfortunately that will indicate that the war is actually the war is escalating. So we need the technical analysis predicts the future, actually predicts fundamental news. So let's see how it plays out. Thank you for watching, everyone. Pay attention to MCRT. You can just Google MCRT. It's available on PancakeSwap. The links are down below. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Do your own due diligence. Pay attention to MCRT. What we're releasing is incredible. We're up 850% in the bear market. We're one of the only projects that are trending, that are making gains, holding 850% while the rest of the market is getting annihilated. That's because we're building. The team is doing amazing. We're building an amazing project. That 850% is equivalent of Bitcoin going to 160,000, or the equivalent of Ethereum going to $16,000. So do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but pay attention to MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.